Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make a quick and easy milkshake easy guide. Start by combining 2 cups vanilla ice cream, 1 cup milk, and 1/2 cup flavoring in a blender, then blend until smooth and creamy. Taste and adjust sweetness or thickness with a tablespoon of sugar or extra milk. Pour into a chilled glass, top with whipped cream and a cherry, and serve with a straw for immediate enjoyment. Mix in fruit or syrups for easy flavor twists, like strawberries, chocolate, or caramel. For fruit, thaw or use fresh and blend thoroughly to avoid chunks. If using syrups, add a tablespoon at a time until desired sweetness, and consider a splash of coffee for a mocha twist. For thicker shakes, add extra ice cream. For thinner shakes, add milk gradually while blending to reach the perfect pourable consistency. Quick recommendation: if you like music while making shakes, consider the Echo Dot Smart Speaker musical notes. Bring your space to life with the Echo Dot Smart Speaker link in description to add fun tunes to your kitchen routine. If this video helps, please subscribe and like so I can make more quick recipes for you. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and pick one up if interested for hands-free music while you cook. Now let's get back to the video. Keep tools cold by chilling glasses and blender jars briefly to help maintain a creamy texture. Use whole milk for richness or experiment with plant milk for lighter versions. Each gives different mouthfeel. Clean as you go to prevent sticky counters, and reusable straws make serving easy. Try 1/4 cup of crushed cookies for texture, or a pinch of salt to enhance sweetness and balance flavors for a professional tasting milkshake at home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.